What's the meaning of atishoo? Atishoo. Atishoo.
Atishoo. Atishoo. Atishoo is an onomatopoeic word used to describe the sound of a sneeze. When someone inhales air into their lungs and then suddenly expels it through their nose and mouth, the resulting sound can be described as atishoo. Sneezing is a natural reflex that helps the body remove irritants from the nasal passages. While it can be a sign of illness, like allergies or a cold, sneezing is usually just a normal bodily function. Atishoo is a fun and playful way to describe this sound.